Hi folks. In this video, we're going to go to Aster Images and see how we can download these images. As usual for any image provider website, we first need to sign up. In order to be able to download Aster Images, you need to sign up on two sites. The first site is USGS. Enter the login section. If you do not have an account on this site, create a new account. For this, you need to fill the requested information. After you have registered in the site, sign in and enter the site. The second site that you must sign up is Earth Data. If you do not have an account on this site, create a new account. Fill the requested information. After you have registered in the site, log in and enter the site. Now you can easily download images without any problem. Well, in the first step, enter the USGS website. Sign into the site. Go to your area and find it on the map. There are many ways to define the study area. You can upload your area on the site as KML and SHP files. Or you can enter the coordinates of the area or determine your area on the map. After determining the area, you need to set the date for the image. For Aster Images, select the date between 2000 and 2004. From the Datasets section, click on NASA LPDAAC collection and select Aster collection. The list of images can be displayed. Among the images, we choose the image that has a lower cloud cover. After choosing the image, when you want to download it, you need to enter the Earth Data account to download. As you can see, the Aster image is being downloaded. Here you can see the image in all bands.